It's like, oh, that was the approach at least that I took on it was, you know, they're almost disposable.
Yeah, we've flown the Mavics in places, and I mean, by the time we're done with all the accessories we have on it, it's a $3,000 unit. So if someone destroys it in there, they destroyed our $3,000 drone.
Right.
And that would hurt.
Yes. Yes.
Hurt my feelings a lot.
Yeah, right. Well, you're brave for taking your Spark in there. I mean, you're personal.
I mean, the city even said they're like, if something happens, we'll buy you another one. I was like, all right, it's going in.
Yeah, that's nice.
Right. So that operation cost us almost $90,000 to do. So we took the SWAT team out. That mobilizes 30 guys in gear for 8 hours, you know, and that's $50-$60 an hour per guy.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it was expensive. Took the command center out there. Like everything ends up costing a lot.
Right. Yeah.
So you brought your personal quad to this operation?
A Spark.
A Spark? What for?
I do all the drone operations for the department.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool.
And so they were like going to a house to search. And
with the Spark?
The robot kicked the door open, and then he flew his thing in there and scoped it out.
It's like, probably a tiny whoop is better for this.
Well, that's right. It's cheaper. It's cheaper.
Yeah. But the video is not bad. It's not good. So
right.
Spark video is good, I guess.
We're working on getting the software so that we can live feed it to our command center because they've got this big, you know, plasma TV in there. So if I can connect my controller just to the receiver, or the transceiver, whichever way, it'll send it back to the command center and they can just see live what I'm, you know, within a second or so delay.
Yeah.
And that's okay because they don't have to deposit anything. They want that so bad, but it's $5,000 for the software, and then $5,000 for the equipment, and so they're like, I don't know.
Oh, come on.
It took me a year and a half to get them just to buy the drones we have. Because we didn't have a program. We're not even a year old. I mean, our first operation was 4 months ago.
Oh, wow, okay.
So you like go inside of the house with a drone and look, like, are there any like people with guns and whatever?
Yeah, we're just checking it out, and we get a good layout because they want to know what they're going into. Like, there's a room here, there's a room here.
Because if this is a big drone, like somebody can just like hit it with
and
Spark's what, that big?
No, Spark is like this.
Yeah, those. Yeah.
But like, you know, in the house, when it's out there, nobody can touch it. But in the house, it's like,
yep, that's me.
All right, good luck. So you didn't have this? Like, that some other guy just hit this drone?
No, we were looking for him. He was hiding. So if he had come out, it'd have been great. Because then I'd been like, there's where he's hiding.
Because you may not see him, right?
Yeah.
This thing crapped out on me.
And I can't open doors or anything. So I tell him, like, this door's closed, this door's closed.
And so I'm
so
doing
there's
all
where you'll
this
need to
stuff
focus
trying
your
to
search.
get
I
it to
cleared
work.
all the other rooms.
Never could figure anything out.
I thought you guys had like robots like
I have no
driving on the
idea
ground.
what
Like, and they have even like robots with the gun. Like,
no, we don't have that.
No?
We have a lot of tools on it. It's got 7 HD cameras on it, so it gets all the angles and we can move it around.
And they're transmitting? They're just not recording, they're transmitting. Right?
I don't think it records. I think it can record, but we never record anything.
Someone walked through.
But it's kind of a setup like this, to where it transmits to like our box, and we have all the cameras on it.
But it's HD video, and
it's got a cord, which is dumb. Even though the thing's battery powered, the cord, because there's so many videos, comes back and
yeah, because this is not HD, it's like a really small picture. So, but I guess you guys have really nice pictures.
Yes, it's excellent.
So probably in 10 years it became massive, like all these drones for police departments.
Yeah, I'm hoping to grow with it because some of the departments in town have really nice, like the Matrice 210s, and they've got dual cameras and a really nice 640 resolution thermal camera. A 4K camera on there as well with like a 100x zoom. One of them brought it over to our department, and all he did was fly up about 400 feet, and he looked at Farmers Branch's water tower, and you can read City of Farmers Branch from the camera he had. I think it's $12,000 4K camera.
It's better not to crash with these drones.
Correct. And one of our guys went out and trained with them. And it was really windy, and they probably shouldn't have been flying anyway. And so he takes it up, he's flying around, and the wind catches it and went right into a tree. Broke one of the main arms off the propellers. So they put their drone down, and they said, it's no big deal, we've got insurance on it, so they'll fix it. But they were down for like a week, and they didn't want to not have it.
Oh, insurance for the drone, that's cool.
Yeah, all of ours, we've got insurance on them as well. so that if something happens, they'll just...
Where do you get this insurance from?
So one of the places in Plano, they do like, you can purchase it through them. You can also purchase their like maintenance and insurance package. And then DJI actually has a thing. It's like $60 a year.
Oh yeah.
They're just, anything happens to it, we'll just send you another one.
Yeah. Do you guys worry about all this FAA stuff?
Yeah, we're all licensed, so we had to go and get our commercial 107. So that we have it.
All right. Huh. Yeah, that's cool. Do you need to notify FAA that you're gonna fly?
We normally put up a NOTAM. Yeah, it tells them
yeah.
like, here we're in this area, we're going to be within this radius. But because we have a COA as well, so that we don't have to do it right then and there.
Yeah.
If we can do it in advance, we will. Like if I were going to come out here and I know I'm going to fly for hours or something, I'll do it. But if I'm just do training, I don't. Because then I'm not flying for the department, I'm flying for me.
Yeah. But you're training for the department. So.
I am training for them, but it's still under my just personal license, and it's not the same.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. I'm from Russia, and police departments over there just started using a little bit drones, but just to fly like above, for example, these trees and watch the road there. And they, sometimes guys going like on the side road, like when there is a traffic jam, some of the guys like pass it from the right side, and they catch these guys with a drone. Like.
Yeah, we haven't started doing anything. I think they'd frown upon us doing any sort of traffic enforcement, but we're good for any sort of high volume crime. So last night we had a guy run from us. So I deployed there, and I just checked all the backyards because he was jumping fences. So in case he stopped.
Did you chase him?
Well, we didn't get there in time because people go fast. So had he run from me, then I could have deployed quickly. But I got there like 10-15 minutes after it happened.
Yeah.
So I'm just looking in the backyard.
Just was checking where he is, if he can find. Did you find him?
We ended up not finding him because our perimeter, we covered the west side, and he ran to the east of the street.
Right.
And we even had a plane helping look for him too. DPS came out.
Yeah. Well, that's a good thing about these gates.
They're softer.
Yeah.
I would actually argue the other way around. If you see fire, anybody sees fire, you should immediately fire. Because as a radar, you cannot see it, right?
Iron Beagle 33.8. Star Radio C 28.4.
So what technology is keeping track of the
35.1.
laps?
So there is a little like timing system, and it catches. Every quad transmits video signal, and this little thing catches the video signal when the peak is.
Oh, so as it goes through?
Yeah. As it goes through, the video signal become really strong on that thing.
Okay.
And that's how they catch the lap. Yeah. Like back in the old days, we had transponders, like little IR things on the quad, but it's just too messy. Yeah. And this system is pretty precise. It tells the lap with like maybe 1/100
That's
of a
pretty
second.
good.
Yeah, it's good.
So do y'all do heats, and you have to like win the heat, or is it based on your best lap time?
So now it's just practice. Every pilot gonna have 2 rounds of practice.
Okay.
After this, it's gonna be 3 rounds for every pilot of qualifying, and they measure your fastest 3 consecutive laps. So let's say even if you make 6 laps, they pick
Just the 3 best back-to-back?
3 best back-to-back ones over 3 rounds. And that's how they see the table, and then like the qualifying table, and then based on this table they will do like mains.
Okay.
Sometimes it's double elimination, sometimes it's something more interesting. Yeah.
A lot of people for a double elimination here today. That'd probably be a lot, no?
I don't know. Like 2 weeks ago, there was a like World Cup champion in Muncie, like multi-GP World Cup, and it was like 300 pilots there.
Oh wow!
And they also did qualifying, and for mains, for double elimination, they had 64 pilots.
That's a long.
Yeah.